Hi, my name is Heaven Austin, and for this video blog, I have chosen option number 1, where I will discuss the 6 elements that Schinninger suggests drive change. Element number 1 is love your employees. This is especially true in an educational setting. Teachers should be given the chance to construct their meaning, increase their skill development, and have an opportunity for some personal satisfaction. It's so easy to get burnt out as a teacher, and it's very important that they feel like their work does have meaning and it's not going unnoticed. Loving your employees allows them to take risk and be innovative. Element number 2 is connecting peers with purpose. Allowing our teachers to have purposeful peer interaction gives them a chance to have a voice in the decision-making process. And if there's anyone in education who deserves a chance to have a voice and to let their voice be heard, it should be the person who's on the inside, the person who's in the classroom with the students every day. Ecclesiastes 4:9 through 10 says, 2 are better than 1 because they have a good return for their work. If one falls down, his friend can help him up. But pity the man who falls and has no one to help him up. And I believe this verse relates very well to our teachers, those that are doing the day-to-day classroom interaction with students. They need someone to help them up, to be there whenever they need collaboration and to have those purposeful peer interactions. The element number 3, capacity building prevails. This involves your competencies, resources, and motivation. And according to Schinninger, groups are considered high in capacity if they possess and develop these 3 components. Element number 4, learning is the work. To have successful growth means that the culture of the school supports the day-to-day learning of teachers. Teaching is definitely a lifelong learning experience. Element number 5, transparency rules. It should be normal and desirable for teachers to observe and be observed by others. This gives everyone the opportunity to share work being done with key educational stakeholders. Whenever I was teaching in my own classroom, I taught 3rd grade, my school board representative got approval for me to have clickers in my classroom that connected to my smart board for student interaction. And my principal, during one of my observations, she actually observed me using these with the students, and she was able to pass that information along to my school board representative about how this was being used and that it was actually benefiting my students in the classroom, which is so important that they're made aware of that. And element number 6 is systems learn. Continuous learning depends on developing leaders in the school in order to enhance continuity. The role that data plays in driving change, data has huge implications in driving change in education. We have no need to reinvent the wheel. We should learn from and with others. And how could we apply this information to drive change in our district? Encourage the input and feedback from teachers, value their input, encourage collaboration and performance building exercises, especially through the transparency rules.